1631 Rushing River. I personally think this is really beautiful. The yard, the landscaping, and this is a two-story in the popular community of El Dorado. This tree will be maintenance, but the yard is really beautiful, and as you can see, we have a true RV parking with an actual RV trailer of some sort in it. So that will increase desirability and rent. But I think it's just really beautiful to look at. I like the flagstone pavers. Anyway, moving inside. Okay, so we have what looks like parquet flooring throughout a lot of the downstairs, and a sort of dated green carpet. We have the correct 2.5-inch faux wood blinds, plus we have the bonus of already having the arch at the top. Sometimes it can be hard to find blinds for those, so it's nice that it's already there. I couldn't get the chandelier to turn on, that's why it's off. The walls are white. The cabinets are in good condition. The general feel of this home for me is that it's well cared for. We have an undermount sink, a nice eat-in area that's really a true eat-in area. You don't have to crawl over the table to get to the sliding door. This is actual stone, tile stone. So, of course, it doesn't appeal to everyone, but it's well done and in good condition. So I think that's a plus. I feel like this yard is beautifully landscaped. This is the south side of the house, so we have the overhead to protect from the sun. These pavers are a little weird, but I'm not sure if it really matters. Okay, let's head back inside. So, I'm sorry that I couldn't get all of the lights on, but from what I can tell, overall, the paint is in good condition. We do have a stone tile looking backsplash in the kitchen that looks to be in good condition. We'll head this way. Oh, and we have that same stone tile type of flooring that also looks to be in good condition. Now we're transitioning to the parquet and a different tile in the bathroom. Cabinets look to be in good shape. Light fixture looks good, no rust. This is a very low maintenance bathtub shower, so that's nice. Don't need a blind on there, it's frosted. Of course, if they take the shower rod, then we replace it. We need a shower rod for the tenants. This room has the dated carpet. This wall's tannish, really close to the biscotti that we like. This wall is green. So we'll see if Jenny says it's okay for an accent wall since it is an extra room. The walls are purpley mauve in here. So we have a pan and earthquake straps. I'm not an inspector, so I will not say if they're installed correctly. I will only note that they are there. Okay, let's head upstairs. I will just point out that the railing looks to be in good condition too. A dated light fixture, really simple to switch that out and, you know, have a nice updated feel at a low cost. Okay, can't seem to turn the light on, so it's that same green carpet. Walls are really close to the biscotti. We have the 2.5-inch blinds that we like. There's a closet here. Okay, a different type of tile. green and biscotti walls in there. Okay. Cabinets look to be in good shape. We have blinds behind those drapes. They've done a good job of keeping that shower clean. This wall's green. So we have a combination of that green and that a little darker than biscotti color throughout most of the upstairs, except for this room. It's blue. Blinds look good from what I can tell. Carpet looks good. It's just green. And we have a ceiling fan with the light kit, which is a nice touch. We have another ceiling fan with the light kit in here. That's a nice plus. Blinds look good. And here, cabinets look good, as does the floor. We need a shower rod. Pretty straightforward overall, really good looking. Well cared for. Okay, let's head back downstairs. I think that's it.